My NFR Forte version 2 has finally completed, so today I will be walking through with you guys on all the stuff which I've done on my NFR Forte. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning to you guys. Today gonna be a very busy day for me. So there are two places where I'm going today. First, I'll be heading to LSTA wheel shops to rotate my tires. So I have once again reached the 10,000 kilometers mileage, which means I will need to rotate my tires. And then I will be heading to Evin Garage to service my car, as my NFR Forte is due for an oil change. Alright guys, I've made it to the wheel shop. Right now I'm here at LSTA wheel shops getting my tire rotated, and I'm so lucky, you know why? Because there's no cars here, so I don't need to wait long for my turn. And the current set of tires that I'm using is the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 5. It grips really well on dry roads and wet roads. I have no complaints about that. Right now they are doing the tire rotation for me, and I'll be heading into the shop to look at the wheels. Alright guys, I've rotated the tires, and right now I'll be heading to Evin Garage. Alright guys, I'm back from Admin Garage. Earlier, those guys at Admin Garage told me that there are certain stuff which I will need to replace, like the battery, the bushing for my lower arm, and the hoses for my radiator, as my hoses are bloated up. So since they are still usable, I'll be replacing them on my next servicing. Seems like I'm going to spend a lot of money on all these repairs. And my NFR Forte version 2 has finally completed. So today I will be walking through with you guys on all the stuff which I've done on my NFR Forte. Back in 2019, when I bought this Kia Forte, the car is stock, everything is stock. It's just like a regular Kia Forte you have seen on the road. So when I bought this car, the tires that came along with the car are pretty worn out. So I went to the wheel shop for a new tire replacement. So I have gotten myself the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 5 tires. These tires are being recommended by my friend. I've been using them for about 1.5 years and I'm very satisfied with the performance. At the same time, I have gotten myself the aftermarket rims. These are the Asga Racing rims. They are from Taiwan. They are also very light. It only weighs about 7 kg on each wheel. It's about 4 kg lighter compared to the stock wheel. It's gunmetal in color and I really like the wheel setup of my NFR Forte. Just to enhance the look of my NFR Forte, I have gotten my brake calipers sprayed into red color. I don't have any plans for the aftermarket big brake kits as they are very expensive and I don't need such a powerful braking system since the car will be just driven on the street. So if you guys are looking into improving your braking performance, I would suggest you to install the stainless steel brake hose and the aftermarket performance brake pads, which I've done on my R6. This will definitely improve your braking performance on your ride. As you guys know, aftermarket front grille are very expensive, so I've made use of the stock grille by cutting out the mesh and customized the badge holder for the Kia badge. It has totally changed the front end look of my NFR Forte. The coilovers that I'm running on are from BC Racing. It's from Taiwan and they are very reputable in the automotive industry. The model that I'm using is BC V1 and BC BR are also very popular. The difference is you can set the front camber angle just by adjusting the front camber plate, which is just right above the coilovers. Coilovers are fully adjustable, be it ride height, preload or shock damping. You're able to fine-tune your car handling with those adjustments. The ride height settings from the factory is 2 fingers for the front and back, and I've lowered the ride height further down to half finger for the front and 1 finger at the back. Preload has also increased from 15 clicks to 28 clicks for the front and 30 clicks for the rear to improve the front end grip and also to lower down the center of gravity. Your ride quality will definitely be affected with the coilovers, so if you want comfort, coilovers are not the type of mods you want for your ride. When it comes to performance mods, with a 1.6 liter N8 engine, there won't be a huge increase of horsepower unless the engine is fully modified. So what I've done is only the oil catch can to filter out all the oil contamination in the engine, air intake piping together with the stainless steel air intake filter for better airflow, which has only slight significant effect once I'm revving above 3000 RPM. So if you always drive a car below the 3000 RPM range, don't waste your money on these mods. keep it stock because it won't mix any difference, and I would say with a 1.6 liter engine in Singapore, it's more than sufficient, it's more than what you need to get you from point A to point B. GT Wing not only enhances the look of your ride, it also provides downforce when you are going around the corners. This is a replica JS Racing carbon fiber GT Wing. It's fully adjustable. As you guys know, I love to take corners really fast. GT Wing has also helped me with the rear end slipping, and it only works once the speed is above 80 kilometers per hour. In order to make the rear end look more aggressive, I've deleted the rear diffuser and now there's a full view of the exhaust muffler. And currently I'm still running on the stock exhaust system, but somehow the exhaust flow is better and the exhaust sound is louder too, and I don't know why. This full bucket seat was being installed a few months back, and I really love the performance of this seat. With its high bow steering at the side, there are a lot of support on my butt and shoulder when I'm going around the corners. Those Takata racing harnesses has no effect on providing support, and the reason why I'm using it is because the stock seat belt will wear off the surface of the seat, and of course I want my seat to last as long as possible. Although getting in and out of the car is very difficult now, but I would say this is one of the best mods I ever have on my NFR Forte. The recent stuff which I've done on my NFR Forte are the new decals, the new NeedForRide gold wording decals on the doors, the front lip, side skirt and the rear lip install, and this have definitely changed the whole look of my NFR Forte. So because my car is lowered down, so after installing the front lip, I have scraped the front lip against the ground whenever I'm going up the ramps and going down the ramps. So before this lip is being installed, I'm already seeing that's coming. So there are a few scratches underneath the lip, so from this angle you guys won't be seeing the scratches. And the next thing that I will do on my NFR Forte might be the ECU tuning, and I believe most of you are interested to know if there's any difference, if there's any effect on the torque, horsepower and throttle response after the car is being tuned, and I don't know when I will do it. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye.